Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to try on some of my short wigs. Today we're not going to talk about braided wigs, but I'm planning to give away 2 or 3 wigs, braided wigs, to one person, and I also want to add one of the wigs that I'm going to try on today to the giveaway. So just comment below which wig I should add to the giveaway, or comment below your favorite wig, okay? And also if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make it for you, okay? Yeah.